can you show me some options? Because I'm looking for a new screen for my business.
Oh, sure. Yeah, absolutely. We recommend this range of HD LCD screens. What's your budget, Lindy?
Between $500 to $700.
Yeah, we can get you something like this. This is a 55-inch screen, and it has 4K HD quality. The pixels go about 3,840 to 2,160 pixels, and it also has a 120 hertz refresh rate. So I think your budget can get you a screen like this.
That sounds impressive. Where is this suitable for use?
Okay, it can be used in restaurants, storefronts, and any advertising campaign that you have. The sizes can even go bigger when we splice them. So this is, for example, one screen, and we put them together. You know, it's very, very convenient.
I see.
Do you want to know about something else?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, for the connectivity options, it comes with 4 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi system to help you with seamless streaming of playback content. Also, it has a very good audio streaming experience, and the sound is very good as well.
Wow, that's perfect. I think I found my new screen.
Yeah.
So, thank you.
You're welcome, Lindy. Bye.
Bye.